Let us be glad. Let us be grateful. But let us also eat before we partake. Come on, you can do it. There you go. Goodness. Oh, come here. Come here. Can you get my blankets? There you go. That's not really. There you go. Oh my goodness. Are you holding it in? Are you holding it in? There you go. Are you cozy in there? Food's all gone, baby. It's all gone. Now we can have the fun stuff. I am now putting the dog inside of the house. Let's go inside. Come on. Go on. Putting her in. Okay, the dog's in the house. Now I'm zipping up the zipper for all the haters. No animals with this video. Squeegee, the best way to clean up the gardening work. And it's very satisfying, too. Did my teeth when I just said that to you? Isn't it nice to know? Hey, also, I just saved that cicada from drowning in my dog's water bowl. It was drowning, and I saved it. Look, get up, little buddy. Come over here. That's better. I'm not a bad person. Can see clearly now, the rain is gone. That was a spiritual journey. Cicada! Are you okay? Are you okay, dude? Don't tell me. Okay, I don't think this is the same. Okay, we're clipping. Cut.